Greetings to everyone. Myself, Nikhil Patel. I am a team leader of our team. We are here for the video presentation of the major project named Multiple Disease Detection System with our team PANKAJ, KACHHI, NEERAJ and Lucky MOHABE. Let me get into details about our project Multiple Disease Detection. Here, we are building a software to diagnose various types of diseases of the patient. It helps to predict, to detect diseases early and also support to the healthcare professionals. Pankaj now.
Next slide. Generally, we have proposed a system where we can use system to predict multiple diseases. The multiple disease detection is a machine learning based application to design to diagnose multiple diseases, including like cancer, heart, kidney, liver, Parkinson's disease. It helps by analyzing patient data and provides accurate analysis, early detection results. Our system aims to enhance diagnosis efficiency, integrate seamlessly into existing healthcare infrastructure to support medical professionals and deliver effective patient care. The multiple disease detection system uses data from multiple patient records, predict if a person has a good chance of disease or not. Data in the healthcare industry consists of all the information related to the patient. Here, journal. Here we have proposed journal architecture. So why the multiple disease detection system? Here, many of the existing machine learning models for the healthcare analysis are concentrating on one analysis per disease. For example, first is for the liver analysis, one for cancer analysis, one for lens analysis, like that. If a user wants to predict more than one disease, he has to go through different sites. There is no common system where one analysis can be performed in a single platform. Some models have lower accuracy and seriously affect patient health. When an organization wants to analyze their patient health reports, then they have to deploy many models, which is then increases the cost of the infrastructure. Next, so we next, so we have proposed a solution for that. That is multiple disease system. It is possible to predict more than one disease at a time, so the user doesn't need to traverse through a different site to predict the diseases. Uh, we are we are here giving users to predict more than one disease like cancer, diabetes, heart, kidney, liver, Parkinson's. All all these diseases can be implemented. Next, Rajpal, you may present implement.
In implementation part, we are to implement multiple disease analysis. We are going to use machine learning algorithm and Streamlit. Our basic idea is to develop a system which will predict a give the detail of the disease predicted, along with the severity, which symptoms are given to as an input by user. The system will compare the symptoms with the dataset provided in the database utilizing advanced algorithm, KN algorithm, random forest algorithm, and decision tree, etc. The system applies machine learning techniques to the process data user data. Next slide. Here we will consider multiple tests. First, breast cancer test. Second, diabetes test. Third, heart disease test. Fourth, kidney test, and fifth, liver test, and the last one is Parkinson's disease test. Here we use to predict the disease for multiple data set. First data set is breast cancer. For breast cancer, we use Wilkinson breast cancer dataset. For diabetes, we use PIMA Indian diabetes dataset. For liver, Indian patient liver records dataset is used. For heart, as heart disease dataset is used. For kidney, chronic kidney disease dataset is used. For Parkinson's disease, Parkinson's disease dataset is used. How to train data in we will train data with input. We will He takes the input that user will be give, and that output a class of testing dataset, multiple testing datasets. First one is import the dataset. Second one, explore the data to figure out the what they look like. Third, pre-process the data. And fourth, split the data into attributes and labels. Divide the data into training and testing sets. Or sixth one is training the logistics regression. And seventh, make some prediction. And eighth is evaluate the result of the algorithm. Ninth, combine individual trainers. Uh,
Now, Lucky, you are present.
First, we are making the app where the user have to log in the application, and where we have to disease the multiple disease we have, just like cancer, liver, kidney, heart, or multiple disease. When user have when user give input, any case, any problem, so our software detect and give the output to the user, mm, process and process data. It is kindly help to user mm, uh, kindly help to user to not worry another cases. Mm. Firstly, in this diagram, we have a user, and he give the multiple disease to detect the application, and it will analyze the previous data that was consoled in the application or library, and then the library explain come to the forward to algorithms, and it may change into algorithm and give the output answer, and it ends and give the answer.
Now, this is the UI of the application we are developed. This is the front page of the application. Now, move to the next. There we are presenting cancer home UI. The breast cancer test where we can have to put the attributes and the value of by the given test results, so we can generate a report where we show we have breast cancer or not. And the same for diabetes test, and also for the same heart disease, and also for the kidney disease, the kidney test where we have to put blood pressure value, then specific gravity, then albumin and sugar level. After we have to put the click in the to get results. There are also a liver test and Parkinson's test. We have to put value to analyze the diabetes diseases, and we are using technology. We are using to build front end by the Streamlit library and with the Python language. Here we are using MongoDB and GitHub to deploy our project and store in the GitHub. And after all, we have to deploy our project in AWS services. Thank you.